Here we have the F-cubed, fully automated 5-panel water processing plant. We're taking dirty water from the lake, you can see, and bringing it up to this tank. From there, we're pumping it through these pipes into the top of each panel. Now, these two tanks here, this collects rainwater, this collects pure drinking water. As you can see, wow, look at that. Beautiful. And how it works is we pump into the top of these panels, it dissipates across the full width of the panel, comes down the black fabric, gets superheated, and distills on the underside of this panel. Now this panel is very high tech, took many years to develop. It's very hot. This is a sealed unit. I can hardly touch that. So that's why it gets hot. Now that all comes out here, all the drinking water. This process, as you can see it here, it comes down into this corner of each panel and goes down into the tank. Now this unit is fully automated. The pump is powered by this little PV panel here. So the good thing about this, we can treat any water, seawater, water with heavy metals, water of E.Coli and cholera, water with mud, it does not matter. Any water we can turn into pure drinking water. And the good thing about this is, it needs no power, no chemicals, no filters, and almost zero maintenance. Great for rural areas, river villages, long houses and islands, anywhere in the world. Pretty cool.